The third area of change for Metropolitan Melbourne is that under those state of disaster provisions from 8 p.m. tonight, a curfew will be implemented. So there will be a curfew across Metropolitan Melbourne from 8 p.m. this evening, and it will run from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. each and every day. And the only reason to be out of your home between the hours of 8 p.m. and 5 a.m. is to get care, to give care, or to go to and from work or be at work. We can no longer have people visiting others. We can no longer have people out and about for no good reason.
Hi. As you can tell, I am one of the many VCE Media students this year who was supposed to make a short film, but after restriction and restriction and restriction, it seems like there's nothing I can do. And, well, I have to get this made somehow, so I am completely and utterly lost. I have no actors left, of course. I have no locations I can go to. I mean, are we even allowed to leave our house in these times? Because I don't really know. I don't know these laws. So, yeah. So, I think maybe I'm going to have to try and get something done with some people I trust, and maybe we can all work together and make this movie, I guess. You know, maybe we can still have some cool stuff in the movie. I mean, look at this bottle shot. Whoa, can you see me? Whoa. This is the bottle shot, and whenever the character would drink that bottle, you'd see through here, and you see all the water moving around, like, oh, look, water moving. See? Okay, I need to find people. Hey, so I went ahead with that short film idea, and I know you know about circumstances and whatever, but what I've decided is that I'm gonna need a few people to... What are you doing? Okay, can we just put this down, please? Thank you. So basically... Just come on already. Okay? Come on. So how you been? And everything. Have a nice... This? Dude, relax. It's not an addiction or anything. I needed a quick little top up. Okay? Just to get a bit of stimulation going. I mean, it's not like I even need it anyway. I mean, look. See? I don't need it. See? All good. Do you want anything to drink? Yeah, sure. Can I have coffee? Oh, yeah, cool. I'm not addicted.
The impact that COVID-19 has had on my academic career has been drastic. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to bounce back. It's been a hard time for me personally, and now I can't show the world my academic expertise because this virus might be... Is that your third drink?
Maybe. So I like the nighttime scenes. Just like tell me when you're available, and we'll kind of arrange to get them done. And just tell me when everyone's ready. And what are you doing? But yeah, just tell me when everyone's ready to go. No.
No!
Alright, so what I want you to do is, for this scene, so what you do is you slowly walk up to the tree with your head down, and then from that point on you just... And cut. Great work there, I really like what you did. So for this next bit, what I'm going to try get you to do is, so from this tree forward, what you do is you just like wake up, and that's when you start running.
What's the time?
Sorry?
What's the time?
Time? Easy. It is... It's past 8 p.m.
We need to get. Are they patrolling this late at night?
I have no idea, but we need to go.
We need to go, yeah, we need to go.
Okay, we need to go. Like now. Guys, I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we need to get out now.
No, I agree.
I'm not playing my chances. We can just meet up later and... Oh my god, I think that's someone. Guys, get behind the tree. Get, come on. What is he? What is he? Hang on, I think they... You sure that's one of them?
I don't know, it looks...
I don't know, it looks like one of them. God, run! Run! Come on! That's too close. We need to... What? Are they still around? Listen. It wasn't my fault to get you involved in any of this. I didn't know it would get this bad. I didn't...
So, what you doing out here after curfew?